Oh my God.
No! God, please, no!
Oh no!
Help me!
Yes, understood. We're on our way.
Okay already.
Go, go, go! Get those doors open!
We're loaded. Moving out.
All right, let's go.
Sir, yes, sir. Yes.
The crane arm swings to the right, then lowers the red cement mixer onto the empty lot next to it.
Thank you very much.
Oh, yeah!
Sir, yes, sir.
Steady over there.
Almost done with this section.
Looks smooth. Let's move to the next one. I need a rescue team now!
Help me! Help me!
He's not breathing!
Yes, understood. We're on our way.
Okay already.
Go, go! Get those
All
doors
right,
open!
let's go.
We're loaded. Moving out.
Oh, yeah!
Sir, yes, sir.
We need the bridge parts brought to the site immediately.
Yes, I'll let them know immediately.
Let's go.
The excavation on the far side is moving slower than expected. We need more support there.
I can reassign.
All right, it's secure now.
Sir, yes, sir.
23 at the river. We have a confirmed train derailment.
Help me!
Teams on standby.
This is an emergency. The train has derailed into the river. We need immediate backup and rescue team.
Yes, understood. We're on our way.
Okay already.
Go, go! Get those doors open!
We're loaded. Moving out.
We're almost to the shore.
I can't! I'm so tired!
You're safe now. Just a little further. Let's go.
Oh yeah!
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh yeah!
Yeah, runs smooth as silk.
Is anybody here?
Help me! Help me!
10-4. I'm on my way.
Okay already. All right, let's go!
Visual on the target. Moving southwest over the river.
Oh yeah!
We are clearing the ridge now. Rescue team, this is Unit Alpha. We've recovered Hulk. Prepare for emergency.
Okay already.
Let's go.
Yes, I'll let them know immediately.
Sir, yes, sir.
Oh yeah!
This concrete is setting up fast in the sun.
Yeah, look at that view.